for tonight's dinner, which is baked chicken and potatoes. Yeah. This chicken is really juicy and I like it because it has crispy skin. Of course, you can use whatever seasonings you want. That's why I'm not putting exact measurements. But what I'm cooking is dinner for two. Damn, I gotta clean the kitchen. This meal takes about 1 hour to cook, and ingredients include chicken parts, potatoes, onion, garlic, and olive oil. Spices are paprika, thyme, parsley, Cajun seasoning, black pepper, and salt. Preheat the oven to 350. First, let's squish our garlic using the flat of our blade in our palm and take off the skin. Finally, chop it lengthwise, turn it horizontally, and let's chop again. Adding a tad of salt helps to increase grit and release the garlic flavor. Notice I'm using the back of my knife to move the garlic around in order to keep my blade sharp. To chop my potato, I'm using a Cutco chopping knife, cutting each half into eighths, and then rinsing out the starch. When cleaning your chicken, let's make sure to use cold water. We're trying to take out any slime, any fat, which is the off-white gooey stuff, rinsing it well, and then putting them in a bowl. Wash your hands carefully because we don't want to get salmonella over everything. When drying your chicken, let's make sure that the skin is super dry so that it can get crispy when we cook it. Let's add about a tablespoon of olive oil. And let's add our garlic and onion. Next, let's add our spices. And mix it all together really well, making sure that the olive oil is evenly spread, even on the potatoes. I personally like to stack the chicken on top of my onions because the way they pick up the flavor and don't burn. Make sure the skin is stretched out on top because it's going to lift as it cooks and gets crispy. And let's drizzle our potatoes around. Chicken normally takes an hour at 350, but we're only going to put it for 50 minutes. Then we'll crisp it at 500 for 10. When the 50 minutes is up, let's check it out. Yeah, see, it's still squishy. So let's put it up to 500 for 10 minutes and yeah. You can make any sides you want, of course, but I did fried shrimp with some green beans. I'll link a quick tutorial to the fried shrimp in the description box below. Feel free to write all of your opinions in the comments below. Like or dislike this video. Yes, that was me playing the guitar very terribly. I will improve my music. I'm looking for artists who want to share their music and I'll promote them here. Let me know if that's you. Thanks for watching. Was it bad?
Great, Bab.
This all comes down to Mrs.
How's it, Marie?
Pelosi's speakership. She does not have the votes.